Welcome to this tutorial on Amazon SNS topics and publishing messages. This is part of our AWS integration series. In this session, you'll learn how to create SNS topics and publish notifications to multiple subscribers. Amazon SNS, or Simple Notification Service, is a powerful messaging service that enables you to send messages to various endpoints at scale. Let's explore how to effectively use SNS topics for your application integration needs. Amazon SNS is a fully managed publish-subscribe messaging service. At its core, SNS follows a pub-sub pattern where publishers send messages and subscribers receive them. Topics are the central communication channels in SNS. Think of a topic as a broadcast station where publishers send messages, and all subscribers listening to that topic receive those messages simultaneously. This architecture allows you to decouple your application components and scale your messaging infrastructure efficiently. SNS handles all the complexity of message delivery, so you can focus on building your application logic. Creating an SNS topic is straightforward and takes just a few steps. First, navigate to the AWS SNS console from your AWS Management Console. In the left navigation panel, click on Topics to view all existing topics in your account. Click the Create Topic button to start the creation process. You'll then need to choose between two topic types, Standard or FIFO. Standard topics offer high throughput and best effort ordering, while FIFO topics provide strict message ordering and exactly once delivery. Choose the type that best fits your application requirements. When configuring your SNS topic, there are several important settings to consider. The name is a unique identifier for your topic and must contain only alphanumeric characters and hyphens. The display name is optional but useful, as it appears in SMS notifications sent to subscribers. For security, you can enable encryption using AWS Key Management Service to protect your messages both at rest and in transit. The access policy controls who can publish messages to your topic and who can subscribe to it. You can use the default policy or create a custom one based on your security requirements. These configuration options give you fine-grained control over your messaging infrastructure. Amazon SNS provides three primary methods for publishing messages to your topics. The console method uses the AWS Management Console, which provides a user-friendly graphical interface perfect for manual testing and one-off message publishing. The CLI method uses the AWS command line interface, ideal for scripting and automation tasks. The SDK method provides programmatic access through various programming languages like Python, Java, or Node.js, allowing you to integrate SNS publishing directly into your application code. Each method has its use case, and you can choose the one that best fits your workflow and requirements. Let's walk through the process of publishing a message using the AWS console. First, select your topic from the topics list in the SNS console. Once you've selected your topic, click the Publish Message button at the top of the page. This opens the message publishing interface where you can enter your message details. You'll need to provide a message subject, which is optional for most protocols but required for email notifications. Then enter your message body, which is the actual content that will be delivered to subscribers. Finally, you can configure optional attributes and settings like message attributes for filtering or time-to-live values for mobile push notifications. After configuring everything, click Publish to send your message to all subscribers. Every SNS message consists of three main components. The subject is an optional header that's primarily used for email notifications and has a maximum length of 100 characters. The message body contains the actual content you want to send to your subscribers and can be up to 256 kilobytes in size. This is where you put the core information you want to communicate. Message attributes are optional key-value pairs that provide additional metadata about your message. These attributes are particularly useful for message filtering, allowing subscribers to receive only the messages they're interested in. Understanding these components helps you structure your messages effectively for different use cases. SNS supports two message format options when publishing. The identical payload option sends the exact same message content to all subscription types, regardless of whether they're email, SMS, HTTP endpoints, or Lambda functions. This is the simplest approach and works well when your message is generic enough for all protocols. The custom payload option allows you to specify different message formats for each protocol type using JSON. This is useful when you need to tailor the message content or structure based on how it will be delivered. For example, you might want a shorter message for SMS subscribers, but a more detailed message for email subscribers. This flexibility ensures your messages are optimized for each delivery channel. Publishing to FIFO topics requires some additional parameters to maintain message ordering and prevent duplicates. The message group ID is a required field that groups related messages together. Messages within the same group are processed in the exact order they were published, ensuring strict sequencing. The message deduplication ID is an optional token that prevents duplicate messages from being delivered within a 5-minute window. If you send the same deduplication ID twice within this timeframe, SNS will only deliver the message once. Alternatively, you can enable content-based deduplication on your topic, which automatically generates the deduplication ID by creating a hash of your message content. This eliminates the need to manually specify deduplication IDs for each message. Let's recap what we've learned about SNS topics and publishing messages. Topics are the fundamental communication channels in SNS that enable publish-subscribe messaging patterns. When creating topics, you need to choose between standard for high-throughput scenarios or FIFO for applications requiring strict message ordering and exactly once delivery. You can publish messages through multiple methods: the console for manual operations, CLI for scripting, or SDK for programmatic integration. Finally, message attributes provide powerful filtering capabilities, allowing subscribers to receive only the messages relevant to them. With these concepts mastered, you're now ready to implement robust messaging solutions using Amazon SNS in your applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.